Hi, welcome to Blindowl Outdoors. This is all solid wood up to the house. Spent, I don't know, 3 hours last night. Maybe 10:30 till 2:30 or something like that in the morning. The water tank's gone, smashed by a coconut tree. It's gone. There's the water tank there. Coconut tree here. Bathroom's destroyed. Yeah. Egg made it, look at that. Jesus. This coconut tree's down on there. This tree's on the roof. Coconut trees are down. Snapped off. And there's a power line there. This was a jungle before. It's gone. Everything just snapped off. What didn't get snapped off, most of them just tipped over in the wind, pulled out the roots. That's my driveway there. Dozen coconut trees across it. Not very far from the highway, only another 100 meters or so, but it's going to take me a week to clear this out.